So this is May 19, paper 1, question 3. So what we have here is a right triangle. You see this one right here. And what do we have? Point D, CD bisects ACB. Okay, that means that the angle, theta, that these two angles right here are the same angles.
Yeah.
Because this line bisects
Basically.
the angle ACD. I want to find the cosine, and this one consistently, the IB likes to, like a core thing to remember, not just for the IB, but is the fundamental trigonometric identity, which is that cosine theta squared plus sine theta squared are equal to 1. So the cosine squared of theta, in this case, is going to equal 1 minus the sine squared of theta. And the sine of theta is given to us as 3 over 5. So it's going to be 1 minus 3 over 5 squared, which is 1 minus 9 over 25. So therefore, the cosine squared of theta is equal to 16 over 25. And the cosine of theta is equal to plus or minus the square root of that. It's equal to plus or minus 4 over 5. Now right here, this angle is clearly less than 90 degrees.
Yeah.
So we're in the first quadrant of the unit circle. So cosine theta is going to equal 4 over 5.
Yes.
Okay, now we want the cosine of 2 theta. Well, cosine of 2 theta is equal to what? This is in your formula booklet.
Yeah, it's cosine squared of theta minus sine squared of theta.
It's the cosine squared of theta. So here you just need to use your formula booklet. And here we have the cosine squared, which was 16 over 25, minus the sine squared, which was 9 over 25. And that's therefore equal to 7 over 25. Hence, and this is what's going to be useful, or otherwise, we could do it 2 different ways. But we're going to use this result, because that's the value of this angle right here. We want to find BC right here.
Yeah.
Right? Well, if we're looking for BC, what do we have? We have that AC
It's 14 centimeters.
is 14. Okay? So this is the hypotenuse right here. So we can use the cosine of this angle,
yeah.
because it's a right angle triangle, where the cosine of the angle, I can write it first as cosine ACB, is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse.
So we are using SOHCAHTOA.
And that's going to be 14 over BC. The cosine of ACB is the cosine of 2 theta, which is equal, we just found, to 7 over 25. And that's equal to 14 over BC. And that means that BC is equal to 25 times 14 over 7. Oop. Over 7. This cancels out to 2.
Yeah.
So that's equal
To 50.
to 50.